This is Dr. Goodrich here. I'm with my friend Alan, and he is a black belt in Taekwondo, and he's here to get his spine checked because he wants to have more power and really beat up his competition, right?
You could say that.
Yeah, you could say that. So we're gonna go ahead and give him an adjustment. We're also gonna check his feet because he has some foot issues going on in the ankles, so we're gonna probably adjust his ankles too. So let's take a look. All right, buddy, you can drop your arms off the table. We're just gonna feel around in here, okay? So from the scan, we found a couple spots, and we're gonna adjust right there. Take a deep breath in, and go down right now, and drop those arms. Little push here. Beautiful. Awesome. So you're gonna turn on your side and face me, okay? All right, and here we go. Take a deep breath in. And out. A little more. Keep it going a little higher. And very good. Just let yourself roll. That was nice. You might hear a little noise, a little pop, a little sound. Yeah, is that tender right there? Okay. Very good. Alright. So you're gonna turn, tilt, face me right here. That's beautiful. And a little lower right there, okay? Here we go, here we go. That's awesome. Look at that smile. That's good, huh? All right, let's go ahead and check your feet. And they're not my favorite, by the way. There's no support here. So we want to make sure to check those ankles, and he has good range of motion because he's having some issues right in through there. Especially with all the kicking in Taekwondo. We want to make sure that we get some movement here. So here we go. Hang on to the bottom of the table, do a little pull. Nice. And we're going to adjust this one too, okay? So here we go. Go pull. Awesome. Set. Yep. Let's turn around, face out. How does that feel?
Good.
Good? All right, so if you are into martial arts or any kind of sports, we want to make sure that we have good posture, right? We're working on that posture. And we want to keep you active, healthy, and properly aligned so that you can be at your top performance. So he's going to show us a kick right after his adjustment. Go for it. And that, my friends, is the power of chiropractic. Look at how high that kick is. Check us out. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.